Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a curvy text on CapCut. So first, just add your text. Then you can customize it as you like. You can choose your favorite font. I'm going to use this one. Click on the check icon and then just export the video. Okay, now start a new project with the video you saved. Like this, and now click on the clip and then go to retouch, body, click on the manual and go to slim, and now rotate it like this into a 90 degrees and go to the end of the clips first and resize it into 50 like this. Okay, so it will go like this so that when you play it will go curvy like this, and click on apply to all and click on a check icon. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.